Right then guys, what we're going to show you today is the Leather Softening Cream LRC20 is this one. It's a softening cream, but it's also a fantastic waterproofer for motorcycle leathers. Can be used on all types of leathers apart from suede and nubuck. Great for aniline, softens it, you know, where it's drying out and stuff like that. Brilliant for classic car interiors. So I mean, like this old seat that we've got here, it's an Ercon stressless footstool. It feels very, very dry, and it's, you know, it's starting to lose its sort of moisture, its own sort of natural moisture within it. So what you would do with the LRC20 is to apply a coating of that on there, and you can apply 2 or 3 coatings if you want. If the seat's out of the car, or if you've got this off the base of the actual item itself, you can then cover that in cling film to allow it to sweat in to the leather, so it really penetrates deep down in to the leather to really soften it again and make it really soft, really supple, just like it was when it left the tannery originally. So I mean, application of this is very, very simple. You would obviously clean the leather first of all with our LRC1 leather cleaner. Make sure the surface is completely dry, and then you would just simply get some of this onto one of our LRC pads, put a small amount onto there like that, and just massage in like so. It's a white cream, but it dries completely clear and to a matte finish, and you just completely, you know, massage that over. As you can see, a small amount does go quite a long way. You can put on another amount if you wish, and the good thing with this is it just soaks in and penetrates on its own, or as I say, you can cover it with like a cling film, and you know, you can allow it to sweat in over a few days period and just keep applying more and more of the product if you wanted to. Depends how soft you want your leather to come out. It can be applied straight onto a painted surface like you can see here, or if you're restoring the classic car seats and you're going to re-dye them, you know, almost a bit like a sort of, almost like sort of recolonizing, if you want to call it that. You know, you can recolor the seats, put the colour back on the surface. You would remove the old colour, put on the softening cream, wipe that over with an alcohol cleaner to remove any residues that's left on the surface, and then you would start your recolouring process on your classic car seat or piece of furniture, leather jacket, sofa, no matter what it is, shoes, anything. It works brilliant on all types of leather, you know, in marine and, you know, aviation, so it's great for boats and planes and stuff like that as well. Tabletops that are old, where they're cracking and things like that, it's brilliant. If you could actually feel that right now, you would be absolutely amazed. That feels so smooth and so slick already. It's actually fantastic how it works. But I mean, on things like waterproofing for motorcycle leathers and stuff like that, this is, when it's dry, is completely impervious to water. So that's brilliant for motorcycle riders, where you're obviously constantly riding in the wet. We all know motorcycle leathers will eventually penetrate the water through and let it in. This actually stops the water from penetrating your motorcycle leathers and makes it completely impervious to water and fully waterproof, as we will demonstrate with a drop of water going on there now. You can see it literally just runs off. And it's, you know, the water just disperses, as you can clearly see, and it's gone. So I mean, that is absolutely brilliant. I mean, it's a fantastic product. It's great for softening all types of leathers, as we say. Not on suede or nubuck though, but works great on aniline, pigmented, you know, all sorts of coated leathers, crust leathers, anything like that. Works great on all of them. Shoes, footwear, sofas, automotive interiors, classic cars, boats, planes, helicopters, you name it. It works on all of it. Leather jackets, your shoes, leather trousers, anything, motorcycle leathers. It's also great for a brand new set of leathers where they're very tight, because this will soften them and make it easier for fitting initially. As we all know, they're very tight initially. This will make it very soft and supple and very pliable, so that they actually fit you better right from the beginning. So that's LRC20.